From question number 8 today I'll start, okay? Acha, put today's date first. Fifth, 25th of August 21. Write CW. Okay. Age 59. From question number 8 I'll start today. Understood? That is division chapter exercise C. Give heading first. Now let me read question number 8. The price of 35 tables is given 1,75,000. Find the price of one table. This one is very easy now. 35 tables price is given. This is given 1,75,000. Yes, Tom. Now what will be the price of one table? It will be definitely less. Yes, Tom. So division. Enakshi, Afrina, yes, okay. Trisha. Acha, Nouras, now rename yourself, okay? Nouras, rename yourself. Okay, I'll unmute you, don't worry. Let me solve it. Write the statement properly, huh? Price of 35 tables is equal to 1,75,000. Don't make any noise. So, of one such table is equal to 1,75,000 divided by 35. Achha, the rupees is given na. Put here rupee sign. Put the rupee sign, huh? Is equal to what will be the answer? Let me show you the division. Then I'll write the answer. I'm showing you the rough portion here, huh? The division by 35. Complete this first, huh? Achha, by 35, if we divide, by which number it will go? By 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. Then 5 3s are 17. So it will be now this 30 will be there. It will come to that means it will go to the quotient part. So the answer is 5,000. This is the answer. Okay, now you can do side of your copy. As in the screen, on the screen, there is no space in the right side now. That's why I have done it here. Okay, Trisha, understood? Acha, Shirin, Ankita, Anubhav, Raisa, understood, Tom? Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, mute yourself. Shushnata, Mausha, Shonakshi, Anushka, done, Tom? Good. Shampriti, understood? Okay. Paushali is there. Shuvangi, Paushali. Acha, who have not understood? This one, Azjadur, understood? Which one? This division or this statement? Division. Is 35 So we are dividing this as these 3 zeros are there. So look, 175 directly divisible by 35 na? Look, 35 into 5, we will get this 175, yes or no? Yes. Now there is 3 zeros. These 3 zero will come out, yes or no? As there are 3 zeros. In case of 0, usually these 3 zeros will go to the quotient. Suppose there is 1 0. Then 1 0 part. Okay. Understood now, Asjaddur? As it is 0, so. Clear? Okay. Now copy it first. Acha, next one I am doing. Nusaiba done. Okay. Acha, no need to show me the copyright now. Let me complete all the sums then. Now question number 9. Let me read the question. All of you open the book open at page number 59. What is in question number 9? Weight of 45% is given 2736 kilogram. Okay. Weight of 45% weight is given 2736 kilogram. If all of them weigh equally except one, so that means out of 45%, 44% weight is equal, okay, except 1%. He carries some extra or some less weight, okay. Now the question is given, find the extra weight. Achha, it is given. This 1% carries some extra weight, okay. Extra weight of the person who weighs unequal from the rest. Try to understand it very carefully. Look, no need to write this. Suppose there is 15 chocolates, okay? Look at this. And you are 7%, okay? 7% are there. And it is given 7% will get equal number of chocolates. And among this 7%, only 6 will get equal number of chocolates, and 1% will get extra chocolate. Okay. That means we have to divide it by 7. Look, we are dividing by 7. 7 twos are 14. 1 to 2 chocolate, each of the person will get these 2 chocolate. Then they will get 14, na? And 1 chocolate is extra. So out of this 7%, 1% will definitely get that 2 plus this extra 1. Yes, so that means 3. Is it clear to all of you? Sampriti, Mosha, okay, Sushnata understood? Sushnata understood or not? Okay. Oishani, Ovipsha, now let me.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
the same thing. Okay, now the same thing will be happen for 2736 kilogram. And how many persons are there? 45. So definitely we have to divide by this. And what will be the quotient? That will be the weight of each of the persons. And that will be only for that unequal, that person who weighs unequal. Yes, so is it clear or not? Trisha, Asjadur, okay, good. Let me say, where is Asjadur? Shubhangi, it is clear. Okay, okay. As the understood too. What to write? Write the statement properly. You can write the statement by your own also, but be careful. The meaning must be same, huh? Acha, weight of 45%. Just write. %45 is equal to 2,736 kilogram. Okay. Now just make the division. Now find out the division. Divide it by 45. Look, by 6, if we take 5 6 are 30, carry 3, 4 6 are 24 plus this 3 will be there. This 6 will, after taking this 6, still this one is less than 45, na? Shirin, are you doing or not? This one is less than this 45. Yes, Tom. So there will be one 0. Yes. Ankita, Shirin, yes, to okay. Now, so each person each means that 44% plus the last one also, who weighs of unequal weight. But this extra quantity, this is the extra weight. Just give an arrow and write extra weight. Extra weight. Yes, so the person who carries, his weight will be this 60 kilogram plus this 36. Yes. So now write the answer. So extra weight of the person this one is O, huh? Who weighs Is this clear to all of you? Yes or no? Enakshi, Anjum, this one is clear? Okay. Lagna, Naya, Nusaiba, Paushali. Acha, who is written over there? I have a problem. Rename yourself, then raise your hand, huh? Otherwise, I am not going to unmute you. And first of all, keep your camera on. First of all, keep your camera on. So all of you completed this one. Afrina, done?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I am waiting for 2 minutes. One. Number 10. A man purchased 39 radios from a shop and paid rupees 9,756. And the money he got back. Acha, the statement little bit, there is a mistake, okay? A man purchased 39 radios from a shop and paid rupees 9,756, and there must be one statement in this way. He returned some amount back, okay? The shopkeeper gave a change to the person. That statement must be there, okay? Be careful, huh? This basically when we purchase something, we give a certain amount. Suppose we are getting a change, there is some money which we get back, okay? That must be there. Otherwise, what it means, what does it mean? That the cost of 39 radios is 9,756. Okay, no money is there, he got back. Okay, yes, Ankita, I have seen. Now just look at this. So the statement will be basically for 39 radios, a person gave rupees 9,756. Okay, but this is not the price for these 39 radios. So there must be one statement like this, and some money he get back. Okay, so what is that money which he got back? Understood? So we have to find out that one. Now look at this. Write the statement in this way. A man purchased, what is given? Just write that one. A man purchased, ACD, huh? Purchased 39 radios. Okay, how many radios? 39 radios. He paid rupees 9,756. Acha, here write and some amount he got back, which is not mentioned in the book. Some amount he got back from the shopkeeper. Okay, now find the division. Are you writing or not? Acha, Oishani, Ovipsha, now you are able to see the screen or not?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Oh, why? The other student?
Ma'am.
Afrina, Enakshi? Yes, okay.
Ma'am, now we can see.
Okay, good, good.
Man purchase.
Acha, by 39, we are dividing by 2, it will go, na? If we take 2, look, 2 9s are 8, carry 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 78. Now do the subtraction, it will be 9, it will be 1. This 5 will come out, 195. Now take 5. Acha, look at this very carefully. Now 5 9s are 45, carry 4, 3 9s 15 plus 4, 19. It is matching. Now, Jadur, it is 6 though, that's why it will come here. Understood? Now, after getting this number, also this one is less than 39. So there will be 1 0. Okay. Yes, though. Enakshi, Sushnata. Okay. So this one is the quotient. This one is the remainder. This one is the extra portion. That money, extra money. Yes. Yes or no? Shake your head if yes. Okay. So this is the extra money. Now just write the answer directly. Cost of each radio is rupees, and he got back rupees 6. Complete this one first. Poishani Obipsha, now you are able to
Ma'am,
see the.
but we cannot see question number 8 and 9.
Okay, don't worry, I'll upload, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
And also you can see the video. Understood too?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, understood. Nayar, Trisha, got it too? Okay, very good. Raiza, Shampriti, Shornakshi, Sushnata, understood? Shuvangi, Shanubhab. Okay, Sheikh Irfan, Shulagna, Sheikh Azzadur, Mohammad Nahid. Ashia, Mousha, Mohammad Saim, Bahia. Yes or no? Shake your head, just let me know. Okay, good. Somdatta, Nusaiba, Moushim, Farzana, Ashif Molla. Okay, good. Now let me start the next one, 11th one. Acha, again 11th one will be your homework. 7 and 11 will be your homework. Huh? Let me start 12th one.
Ma'am, today you will do 12 to which number?
Probably only I'll get the time to complete 12. Okay, then the class will be over. Okay, then tomorrow GK and plus the rest 2 sum 13, 14, 15, rest 3 sum. I'll complete. Understood too?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
start to write first for number 12. Let me read number 12. 28 eggs were to be kept crate. Achha, one crate means one type of box. Okay. That means in one box, how many eggs are kept? 28 in one box. Okay. This type of how many crates are required if there is 3,129 eggs. Total number of eggs is yes, and in one crate 28 eggs can be. So how to complete to fill by this number of eggs? This one is clear. Look, suppose we have 30 pens. Look at this. And only in one box, pencil box, we can keep 3 pens. So how many pencil box is required? 10 na? If we divide this 30 by 3, then we'll get 310 is 30 pencil box is required. Okay? Yes, sir. Azzadur, understood or not? Say yes or no. Yes, okay, good. So in case of a small number, you can understand. Now this one is for a big number. Okay? Total 3,109 eggs. And how many? In one box, 28 eggs are there required. Okay, just we have to divide. And if there is some remainder, extra number of eggs, That means that will not be filled in this box. That are the extra eggs. Understood? Now, let me complete this one. Start to write. Number of eggs (3,129). Okay. Acha, now write in one crate. There are 28 eggs. Okay. So, or now, Shifat, Raisa doing or not? Okay. 28, 1 is 28. Do the subtraction. 3 will come. Then this 2 will also be there. Again 21, 8, 28, 1 is 28. Again 4 will come, right? 9 will be there. Again by 1. Do the subtraction. It will be 1. It will be 2. So this one is the remainder now. So how many crates are required? This number of crates are required. Okay. And this one is the extra egg. Extra eggs. Okay, this one is number of crates. Note down this. Now write the answer also. Huh? What is given in number 12? Find how many eggs out of this after arranging them and how many crates were used. So just write the answer here. 111 crates were used. Write the answer. And the next one also. Number of extra eggs. 21 extra eggs are there. 21 eggs. So completed. Farzana, understood? Okay, good. Okay, good. Maushim, Mohammad Sahim. Yes, Farzana, I have seen. Nusaiba, understood too? Now let me check the copy.